In this video, we're going to be looking at tray settings on the J35 Pro. First, we're going to open the Tray Settings tab on the right side, and we want to set up our tray materials. To do this, I'm going to hit Change, and this opens our Tray Materials menu. On the right side of the menu, we have our actively loaded materials in GrabCAD Print, and in the top left, we have our currently selected support material. There's two ways to choose your model materials. First, if you are on a network-connected printer, you can click the Get Printers Loaded Materials to automatically select the materials that are currently loaded in your actual physical printer. Alternatively, you can hit Remove All and manually select what materials you'd like to add to your current configuration. You also have the ability to select your desired support material. So in this case, we have options of either SUP 710 or WSS 150. When you're happy with your selection, hit the Save button, and your materials will update in the menu. You'll also see that because my material options have changed from my original selections, your models may update on the screen as their originally chosen selections are no longer available. Next, you have the option to choose print mode. There are two print modes available with the J35 Pro, high quality speed and long print. We're currently in high quality speed, which allows for 3 materials to be loaded at once. This means you have 1 canister loaded of each of your individual model materials and 1 canister of support material. Alternatively, you can use long print mode, which has 2 possible configurations. You can either use a 2 material configuration, in which you have 2 canisters loaded of your first selected material, 1 canister loaded of your second selected material, and 1 canister loaded of your selected support material. Your other option in long print is to use 1 model material, in which case you have 2 canisters of your model material and 2 canisters of support material. Any configuration which has 2 canisters of the same material allows for hot swap capability on that particular material. To change into long print mode, we need to have the correct number of model materials selected. So I'm going to go back into the Change button, Tray Materials menu. I'm going to unload my Ultra Clear S, hit Save again, and it's automatically updated to long print mode, as that is the only compatible print mode with this material configuration.